We're here to take you around school
and show you our innovative programs.
Programs where we can explore and discover our unique passions.
Come on, we'll show you. Guys, I distinctly said we would exit stage right. Guys!
Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? We have an incredible arts program that includes visual and performing arts, where students are invited to cultivate their imagination and creativity through showcasing their work and art through exhibits and performances. Even our students made this.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Cut it! Cut!
I'll be in my trailer.
All right, everyone. In today's class, we're debating, should one use a spoon or a fork?
A spoon? You mean a utilitarian miniature shovel? Meant to shovel food in our mouths with no precision or craft?
And what is a fork other than a miniature trident? A mythological.
This is intense.
No longer relevant.
It's gotta be fork for sure.
Are you kidding me?
Where is our humanity?
It's fork for sure.
Can I use that to pick up some cereal? In sports, we travel and host tournaments.
We've won championships, but most importantly, we've learned lessons about working together as a team and overcoming adversity.
We get so many opportunities to learn new things and discover the things we love.
I'm gonna try basketball. I'm open.
Join us, let's go.
Nice.
This is the robotics lab, where students explore the world of engineering and robotics.
And we get to compete our robots against other schools.
Nice.
That's pretty awesome.
Thank you, I am pretty awesome.
Hey, I'm new at this. Check mine out. If you grab that cone, put it right there.
Oh wow, I think I'm alive.
It's not supposed to do that. I just programmed it to do the cone.
I think I'm sentient. Can I start taking classes? Do I have consciousness?
The school offers a rigorous science program, which allows students to explore the scientific world.
Including the Medical Science Academy, which allows students to engage in the medical science field.
And we can expand our knowledge through classroom and real-world experiences.
Hopefully not expand as much as this.
Toledo's global educational program allows students the opportunity to travel the world on life-changing experiences.
Places like Buenos Aires, Argentina, Tel Aviv, Israel, or Istanbul, Turkey.
Servus! We're in Budapest. Where shall we go now?
Let's go to Hero Square.
Or the Danube.
Let's get schnitzels.
This is fun. Let's go somewhere else.
Let's go to a magical place
Yeah.
like Delaware.
Oh, Delaware! Yay!
We're in Delaware.
Yeah.
Let's do Delaware things. Doing some Delaware stuff
Wait,
in
wait,
Delaware.
wait. We don't go to Delaware.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Whew, I gotta sit down. Our Jewish Studies program teaches students about cultural and textual traditions and grounds us in Jewish values. Every year culminates in the Shabbaton, school spirit community. Hello? Guys, hang on, I was talking. Hang on.
Thank you for joining us.
And checking out some of our innovative programs.
And seeing why we think what we do here is pretty special.
We hope to see you soon.
Seriously, guys, now you're off screen, right? Well, it was nice seeing you. Bye.
So this is why triangles are important for the structural integrity of bridges. Any questions? Okay, have a great weekend.
So, do you guys have any plans?
Yeah.
Can I come along?
Yeah.
Cool.